everyone. So today we're going to talk a little bit about a few best practices when it comes to building an internal developer portal. So first of all, the most important rule is to treat your developers as your actual customers. You want to fetch the feedback and their everyday life and understand what jobs to be done needs to be implemented into the developer portal, so it will be very focused on the most painful daily routines of developer. It can be anywhere from scaffolding a new microservice that today entails creating a ticket or chasing after the DevOps or getting temporal permission for cloud resources, all the way up to understand ownership of APIs and services and understanding the lifecycle of development. So it's very important to kind of reach out to the development teams, understand what are their current pains, and build a developer portal out of those requirements. Once you've gathered all the requirements, create a backlog and make sure that it's very concrete on those pain points brought up from the developers. And don't try to build everything at once. Make sure that you are very agile and you split your development of the portal by creating sprints. Each sprint should not take more than 2 weeks. And once it's done, you should ship it to developers right away and start getting feedback and keep track of the adoption. The second rule for you today is for developer portal is making the developers part of this initiative. Let them a way to contribute to the portal. Give them a way to open pull requests and suggest more ideas, collect the feedback, and make sure that they are heard, and you kind of get them involved into the process of development of the portal. So at Port, what we do is we provide you with those tool sets to make you the product manager for your engineers. So you can check out Port at demo.get.port.io to get inspired of what are those daily routines to be done for developers, and make sure that you create just what you need for the developers.